Do you know about dinosaurs? Dinosaurs. When you think of dinosaurs, which one pops into your head first? It's Tyrannosaurus Rex. Its teeth were the size of bananas. It was more than 12 feet tall, but its arms didn't reach its mouth. Dinosaurs may have talked to each other the way birds sing and act. This is Parasaurolophus. It's a type of dinosaur. It's Pteranodon. It was about the size of a glider plane. Pteranodons haunted the oceans, scooping up fish. Their beak had no teeth, like a bird's beak. Some scientists think they even sounded like birds. Dinosaurs ruled the land and the pterosaurs ruled the skies. Dinosaurs and the pterosaurs but plesiosaurs like elasmosaurs owned the oceans. Elasmosaurs they breathed air like reptiles but could stay deep underwater for a long time. This is Elasmosaur. Mother dinosaur laid eggs in a nest just as birds and reptiles do today. Myosaurus baby dinosaurs hatched and were able to walk, see, and talk right away. This nest of Myosaura babies would be fed and raised by the mother until they could find food on their own. This is Myosauru. Okay, bye-bye.